friends, hope you are watching interesting videos and learning something new each day. Today, I will be sharing an important and most widely used function in Excel. That is, to be able to find a total of a group of cells. Here in this case, what I have is the incentive data for the month of January to March for a couple of employees in an organization. My aim is to find employee-wise incentive paid out by the organization over the course of these 3 months. Also to find out the total incentive paid by the organization for a particular month. Means I will be finding out the total for the cells C4, D4 and E4 collectively to get the result here for the total incentive paid out to John. Also, the second question that I will be answering will be to find the total amount paid by the organization in each of the month of January, February and March to all the employees collectively. Now, there are different approaches to solve this question. The first one is to select each of the cell independently and put in a plus sign in between. This is how we go about it. The second alternative is to use the summation function, which is under your home tab mentioned toward the right hand side, also known as auto sum. As soon as I press auto sum function or the summation sign comes in here, it selects the range which is mentioned directly above it. Now in this case, the range from C4 to C8 is highlighted over here. In case I want to change this highlighted range, I can go ahead and change that now. As soon as I hit enter, what I get to see is the total for the month of January. The third approach is to go about writing the sum function, which is equal to sum, open parenthesis, select the range that you want to find the total of and close the parenthesis. Now in this case, since I have mentioned in my cell F4 the total for the employee John over the course of 3 months of January to March, similarly I would like to find the details for remaining employees. Instead of writing the same function again and again, I can use the autofill feature here. Right now my cursor seems to be a bigger bold plus sign. However, as soon as I take it to the selected cell and to the extreme right hand side corner, what I see, this plus sign changes to a very small plus sign or a slim plus sign. Now what I just need to do is double click here, and what I get to see is the autofill function has played its role and I've got results for all the remaining employees mentioned here. This is how we use the sum function, the 3 different ways. Hope you are able to learn something new today as well from this video. Please stay tuned to learn the conditional sum function in our next video. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel Excel Free. Goodbye.